Hi guys, Miss Lowe here. So today we're going to talk about how to build your newspaper form for your clay mask. You're going to need some newspaper. Go ahead and just open everything up so it's not folded. And you're going to need a roll of masking tape. You don't need to use a lot of masking tape. And this process is going to seem similar to the Day of the Dead Skull, but building it is different. So what you're going to do is start by tearing some strips and just having them ready to go on the side of your table. They should be about this long. Okay, so go ahead and tape that to the edge of your table and let's start building your newspaper form. So go ahead and crumple up the newspaper into separate balls. So don't combine them to get bigger. So two separate pieces. We're gonna make another one. And depending on the shape of your mask, you're going to place it in that direction. So if your mask is an oval, you keep building it this way. If it's rounder, then go ahead and make the shape round. So I'm going to add one more. Okay? And then you kind of use your hands and start to kind of shape it how you want it to look. Then when you're done, take one big sheet and wrap it around those individual balls. Perfect. So now I have the newspaper form that I want. So the only reason that you're going to use tape is to prevent this from unraveling. Okay, we're going to end up throwing this away. So go ahead and flip it over and just add a couple strips of tape. Okay, and that is perfect. So the next step, you guys, is you're gonna roll your clay out at the front and you're just gonna place it on top of your newspaper form so that it has support underneath it. Once your clay mask is complete and you're ready for it to dry, you're gonna be removing this from underneath it and then this will get thrown away. So it's really just a support system for your clay mask while you work on it. I would write your name on this with a marker and store this in the class shelf, okay, so that you don't lose it. Good luck and have fun working with clay. See you guys soon.